People, what's going on? Today we're in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin at Mount Olympus. Oh, I had your hair. Mount Olympus Water Park behind us. Specifically, Rome.
Yes.
Let's head in and check out the hotel and see everything that the room has to offer for us. Okay, inside of our room here, Mount Olympus, Hotel Rome. Let's look at our bedding options. Right here. Looks like we have two nice queens. We have some Roman type artwork, murals behind. Very nice. Look at that. And it goes kind of all the way around here. So very, very cool. Two double beds right here. Look at that. It's fun theming. And then we're going to walk over here and look at this wagon wheel contraption. Folks, what we have here is a bunk bed. Look at that. So you have the top bed, the bottom bed, and yes, we have stairs as well, all incorporated into that design. Look at that. That's pretty cool. All incorporated into that design. The wagon wheel design. It's pretty fun. Alright, so plenty of room here for our family. So room for two right there. We have room for two more. And then room for another two. That makes 6.
Here we go. Starting at the door in our hotel room. So we have the door. You have a nice little hanging area for any jackets or anything you need to hang up. A shelf up on top. And of course, some place to store your luggage. Moving on from there, we do have a nice little vanity area with 2 sinks, a blow dryer. You also have some nice details on the wall here for you. You have your guest service directory, resort information, and park events, all kinds of details that you would need, along with those QR codes easy to scan. So you have your blow dryer, nice big mirror, and your double sinks. Moving on from there, you do have a microwave, your ice bucket, and a couple of cups, along with a pretty generously sized refrigerator. Right next to that, you do have, at a water park, what do you need? Something to hang up your wet stuff, your towels, anything else like that. The resort does have those pool towels for you, but I noticed that they do have these nice hooks here for you too. So, and there's nothing below them. So some nice hooks. Look at that lighting. This nice light here. It's really fun with that that vine that goes down to the floor. Then you have a nice TV that everybody in the room can see, whether you're in the bunk bed or either of the other beds. You have a nice sitting area as well. It's like a bar top in a way. 2 seats, but definitely big enough for some people to enjoy some food, do some work, sit back and relax. Some fun, unique art they have here, Mount Olympus style. Looks like you can see the roller coaster, that Trojan horse, and some more theming here in the Rome Hotel. Some exposed brick with another light in the corner. So a nice lighting option also in the corner just to cast some light over here. And then of course you have your window with your view. And our view is out to the parking lot here, but in the distance over there, you can see that's the indoor theme park, that building there, and then that's the indoor water park where you can see the big slide behind it. So you have the indoor water park there, and then the main entrance, that little sky bridge over to the water park. Very, very nice.
Alright, just busted into the bathroom. Took a quick shower. Forgot to show you all what the bathroom looks like beforehand. So anyway, nice hanger on the door. Right here we have our setup for all of our towels and little hand towels. We got our toilet. And then the shower. Now, everything pretty typical. Nice tiled floor as well. Got my towel down there, but look at this. This shower has a super tall shower head. So the taller people, 6 foot and above, 6'2", 6'5", 6'6", you're probably not gonna have a problem at all with this shower. I mean, that thing is huge. Pretty decent shower too. People, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check the links below for Mount Olympus. Have a great day and keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.